What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So the exact dimensions and reduced bangs of the iPhone 13 Pro showed in the drawing. The total thickness of the smartphone exceeds 10 mm. Also, Xiaomi Mi 12 will receive a screen like the iPhone 13 Pro. It is based on OLED panel manufactured using LTPO technology. All of we are going to discuss this in detail. Please watch the full video content. Chinese sources have leaked part of the drawing of the iPhone 13 Pro smartphone, indicating the exact dimensions of the device's thickness, its width, as well as a diameter of the lens. According to the published image, the iPhone 13 Pro has a body that is 146.7 mm high and 71.5 mm wide. In this regard, there are no differences from the iPhone 12 Pro. The thickness of the case is 7.53 mm excluding the camera protrusion. The iPhone 12 Pro is 7.4 mm thick. The total thickness of the smartphone is over 10 mm. The diameter of the lenses is 17 mm. It can be seen that the size of the bangs in the iPhone 13 Pro will decrease. Based on the drawing, the iPhone 13 Pro will still retain the Face ID components, but the speaker hole has been moved to the top edge of the bezel. Wedbush analyst Daniel Ives previously stated that all models of the iPhone 13 lineup will have a laser rangefinder in the main camera. This feature will no longer be exclusive to Pro models. He also stated that older models, iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max, will receive up to 1 TB of flash memory. According to another source, Xiaomi Mi 12 will receive a screen like the iPhone 13 Pro. It is based on an OLED panel manufactured using LTPO technology. According to the source, Xiaomi will equip its promising flagship Mi 12 with a qualitatively new display based on an OLED panel produced using LTPO technology. It is expected that a little earlier, such a screen will debut in Apple smartphones, at least in the iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max. And they say that the smartphone will receive a screen produced using LTPO technology with an adaptive screen refresh rate, which can vary from 1 to 120 Hz. LTPO screens also differ from the panels manufactured using LTPS technology with faster response time and low power consumption. Also, Xiaomi Mi 12 is credited with a very fast charging hypercharge announced by Xiaomi 10 days ago. Recall, it allows you to transmit 200 watts of power over the wire and 120 watts wirelessly. The iPhone 13 lineup should be based on the Apple A15 SoC. The iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max are expected to receive 120 Hz Samsung AMOLED screens. The presentation of the new products is expected in September this year. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.